Did a bit more of my tree. Got the baubles on, and one or two things that I made last year and the year before. So I just need to get some chocolate bits and pieces to go on now for the kids. And they'll eat them well before Christmas. But it looks quite nice, and the lights in the window, you watch, changing from blue, green, turquoise, lilac, pink, and they go on to quite a deep magenta red as well. So it's all looking quite nice and looking quite festive. See, they're all changing colour. Anyway, I had a delivery today, and I'm just going to show you. I've got to decide what I'm going to do about this, sorting out somewhere to do my sewing, and looking at the machine I feel a little bit intimidated. I'm going to have to read the instructions very carefully. Anyway, I'll take you. I'm just showing you these lights. I wanted them to go on to the all red. Aren't they lovely? They're so pretty. And my neighbour said I inspired him, and he's put lights outside on his tree. No, he hasn't got them on yet, but they're pretty, aren't they? The hearts. There's lots of little, the angel, the Santa. Lots of little gems on the tree. It's not just baubles. Anyway, I'll take you into the kitchen and let you have a look at this sewing machine. I really have been so busy today. Got rid of a load of things. Here's the machine. It is Austin Deluxe. It was £99, and the reason I got this rather than a brother or a singer was because of the comments and people saying how great it is, you know, even for a novice, which really I am. I haven't used the sewing machine since I was at school, so this is all going to be quite new to me. And as you can see, I've got it on my dining table, which is fine. I mean, the table's going to be in full use over Christmas, as it always is. But for the time being, it's okay. But I really need to get sorted out with a table, or I don't know quite what I'm going to get. With the power thing, you know, the lift, so it can go down into a cupboard and not be on show all the time. So anyway, that's the machine, and hopefully I'm gonna, I've got the instruction book here, and little bit of bedtime reading. They actually, this extending part here, where are we? This part here, the table that just extends, they'd wrapped that so well, I almost just left it in the box But the box is up in the cupboard upstairs anyway, so not being thrown away. And I've also got for Alfie, he loves these playing cards, and he's had some, and they've all gone messy because the carers don't put them back in the packs. So there's a gigantic playing cards which I shall take into him tomorrow. And that's it. I've been quite busy. I just I'm trying to make my life a little bit more tolerable. Occupying my mind a little bit more rather than the constant worrying. So we'll see whether it works. So good night, everybody. It's not bedtime yet, but I'm gonna watch a little bit of Netflix and relax for a couple of hours, and I'll be back over the next day or two. I'm thinking of doing actually a response video. I absolutely find it abhorrent when people block you, block me from making polite comments because it strikes too close to home, and they don't like it. But you know, you put your life on YouTube, and as long as the comments aren't obnoxious or rude or foul-mouthed, I think that you know, let people have an opinion. That's what the comment section is there for. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow or Friday. Have a lovely evening, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.